Welcome back to Autoscope. 2026 Lexus Motorhome. Exterior: the lightweight, sturdy body made of carbon fiber and aluminum composite components enhances performance and fuel efficiency. With their unique Lexus design and versatile functions, matrix LED headlights and taillights are a standout feature. Large, multi-spoke, likely 20 to 22-inch, specialty alloy wheels with a chrome or two-tone finish. Automatic entry, automatic sliding side doors, and electric folding steps. Automatic awnings include large, integrated electric side awnings with hidden LED illumination. External storage compartment: there is a lot of easily accessible storage space, possibly with motorized sliding drawers and inside lighting. Parking and maneuvering in tight spaces are made easy with a 360-degree camera system. Integrated solar panels: small, efficient solar panels can be mounted on the roof to provide additional battery charging. Interior: outfitted with a large integrated infotainment screen, a digital instrument cluster that can be modified, and an innovative head-up display HUD. An electric recliner, a coffee table that can be lifted or lowered, and an L-shaped sofa or two-seat lounge with luxurious leather or fabric upholstery. The luxury entertainment system includes a large pop-up LED TV and a high-end Mark Levinson sound system with many speakers and a hidden subwoofer. Features of the garden include a two-door refrigerator freezer, a microwave and convection oven, a large sink with a stylish faucet, and a two-burner induction cooktop, smart storage cabinets and drawers with soft close mechanisms and built-in organizers. A queen-size or king-size bed has a premium memory foam mattress, an electric height adjustable frame, and storage underneath. Engine: a powerful twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with a strong electric drivetrain, automatic 10-speed direct-shift gearbox transmission. The drivetrain option is either all-wheel drive AWD or rear-wheel drive RWD with better traction. Fast charging makes DC charging incredibly quick.